Hello friends, welcome to our channel. Today in this video we are watching the stencil wall paint design ideas because wall stencils is a handy tool for painting pattern on plain walls. It's great an expensive designer wallpaper look on walls for easy less expense through stencil various nature scenes them be basic decor styles and geometric designs can be painted on the walls. To create stencil texture on the walls, it is advised to use flat and latex paint or acrylic paint. For both the base paint and the stencil on walls, because by using this paint, then no need to wait for a long time to paint to dry. It is better to use stencil texture for the walls of new apartments or house, as the walls of the old house and are more prone to problem of dampness, crack, etc. Apart from this, one latex base paint is used to cover previously paint oil based wall peeling of paint. The stencils can be reused to create designs on the walls. Therefore, a single stencil can be used to paint the entire wall and decoration. Like expensive wallpaper can be enjoyed a very low cost. The role of wall is important in giving new look to any house. So far we have been using decorative items for theme based or pattern based decoration of the house. Pattern basis decoration of the house, but now you can decorate walls with the throw of your fantasy. Let's see how stencils can be used to decorate walls. Border stencils can be used to add sensory like aesthetic to the walls and ceiling of a room. It is advisable patterns such as flower, lake, Victorian, ribbon, borders and etc. The furniture placed in the living room can be given a look of landscape painting by confitting on border stencil pattern border. Rising waves pattern on the side walls of the stairs can be decorated using border stencils. The flower pattern designs on the corner of the ceiling and the edge outline can be decorated using classic creeper stencil designs. On the other hand, glue paint can be used to paint Victorian or ribbon border stencil patterns. Of the outline of ceiling, giving a wonderful glimpse of the colored light and dark. You can use the border stencil pattern to decorate the walls and ceilings with a base coat of light color and contrast color paint of your choice. All over wall stencils are large pattern stencils that are designed to paint large wall areas quickly. Unlike wallpaper for walls, this wall stencil for painting are cheaper and more affordable solution to decorate a large wall of the room. They are easy to time saving, do it yourself project. It is convenient to elegant. The stencils perfectly has all our stencil including built. All over stencils can be used to decorate bedrooms and living room. It's available in various patterns like polka dots, foliga, North Star, Richie, tapestry, veils of furniture, grapevine, mint trees, and water lilies. You can use metallic paint for stencil pattern wall as it creates glamorous and shiny appearance which reflect elegance and classy decoration for your home interior design. Use this paint style for kids' room and let their imagination fly behind the sky. Twinkling stars all over the stencil pattern can be used for decoration kids' room walls by painting base coats in blue color and star pattern. Stencil designs can be highlighted with silver color metallic paint. The nature inspired stencil pattern create smoothing atmosphere effect for the mind and body. The musical environment of nature helps the mind to be free from worries. Now by using natural wall stencil pattern on the walls of your room, you can feel like relax in the lamp of nature. This type of stencils patterns including tree stencils, vine stencil, flower stencil, leaf stencil, butterfly stencil, bird stencil, fruit stencil. It is suitable for walls, bedroom, living room, hall or guest room to create environment like being to lap of nature.